paper. Keep the paper to the side. Keep the paper to the side. Don't rip open the car yet. Yeah, you got to do right like you asked for. Oh, yeah. Those are the shoes you asked for, didn't you? I did good? Hey. Y'all got what you asked for? Look, my girls, listen. My girls. All y'all got a little nail kit from one of my friends. She made you a nail kit. Also, you got nail polish. Some of my friends. What you think, Caleb? You like it?
We match it.
I did good. Do not lose that door. Don't be opening that stuff like that because your gift card is in there. Also, those cookies are home baked. That's your gift card. And this is for you. It's my pleasure, bro. You gonna blow this up and throw the football through it.
Thank you for all to my little brother.
If you want to, it's your gift. You need a do-rag. Remember we talked about in the barbershop? You open that at home. Open that in here. My friend works at Chick-fil-A. She gave everybody that. You got it? Is that what you asked for? A coloring book? Okay. You got your headphones. I kept my word, didn't I? Yeah. You got your little scrunchies?
Thank you for the headphones.
So you welcome, boo. I did good. You see your shirt?
Yeah.
You got the Transformer shirt?
I got this.
You like it? Where my hug at? I did good. Proud of you, boom. Talia, what you think?
I love them.
You love them? Well, put your shoe back in here for you lose.
D or B?
DDP. She did it. She monogram. Oh yeah, my girls. My sister also did y'all a bow with the color y'all asked for, with your initials. She monogrammed them. This is a Merry Christmas, Mr. K and my friends, cause we love y'all. Listen, do not lose your stuff, especially do not lose that gift card. You have it.